Good morning, student. How are you? I hope you all are will be well and good. Now, before starting my this comprehension, my dear student, please take out your pencil and notebook. Okay. After reading this comprehension, this passage, I will tell you the answer of the questions which you have to note down. Okay, so take out your notebook and pencil also. Let's start the passage. One day a visitor came to Aslam's house. I am your cousin from Konya, he said, and I have bought you a duck to celebrate the visit. Aslam was delighted. He asked his wife to cook the duck and serve the visitor a fine dinner. The next day, another visitor arrived. I am the friend of the man who bought you the duck, he said. Aslam invited him in and gave him a good meal. The next day, another visitor arrived and said he was the friend of the man who had bought the duck. Again, Aslam invited him in for a meal. However, he was getting annoyed. Visitors seemed to be using his house as a restaurant. Now, in this story, there was a man, his name was Aslam. In Aslam's house, one day a man came and he said, I am your cousin. Cousin means मैं तुम्हारा चचेरा भाई हूँ और मैं I am come from Konya. And he said, I have bought a duck for you. क्या लेके आया वो उसके लिए? एक duck. To celebrate the visit. Visit means घूमने आया हूँ. So I brought this duck for you. तो असलम बड़ा खुश हुआ. असलम was delighted. He asked his wife to cook the duck. Then he said to his wife to cook the duck and serve the visitor a fine dinner. Okay? उसने कहा कि मतलब बढ़िया खाना बनना चाहिए जो ये विजिटर आया है. वो उसको जानता नहीं था, इसलिए वो अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहा है दैट आई एम योर कज़िन. अगर वो जानता होता तो वो पहचान लेता ना, हाँ ये मेरा कज़िन है. तो इसलिए उस आदमी ने खुद ही कहा मैं तुम्हारा कज़न हूँ. अंडरस्टैंड. द नेक्स्ट डे अनदर विजिटर अराइव. द नेक्स्ट डे अनदर विजिटर मीन्स सेकेंड विजिटर केम एंड ही सेड आई एम द फ्रेंड ऑफ द मैन हु बॉट यू द डक. उसने कहा मैं उसका दोस्त हूँ जो तुम्हारे लिए हु बॉट द डक लेके आया था. ही सेड देन असलम इन्वाइटेड हिम इन एंड गेव हिम अ गुड मील. गुड मील मीन्स बढ़िया भोजन दिया उसे. देन अगेन द नेक्स्ट डे अनदर विजिटर केम एंड द अनदर विजिटर सेड he said I am the friend of the man who had bought the duck. मतलब जो डक लाया था ना उसके दोस्त के दोस्त का दोस्त हूँ मैं. अगेन असलम इन्वाइटेड हिम इन फॉर अ मील. हावेवर ही वॉज हु इज ही हियर असलम गेटिंग एन्योन. उसको क्या हो गई? चिड़ मच गई, गुस्सा आ गया उसे. विजिटर सीम टू बी यूजिंग हिज हाउस. ही थिंक दैट विजिटर्स आर यूजिंग माई हाउस लाइक अ रेस्टोरेंट. जैसे रेस्टोरेंट में आते हैं खाते हैं और चले जाते हैं ना, तो वैसे ही सेम ही थिंग दैट विजिटर्स आर यूजिंग माई हाउस लाइक अ रेस्टोरेंट. हु थॉट दिस? असलम थॉट दिस. ओके. देन अनदर विजिटर केम. फिर से एक और आ गया देखो. एंड सेड ही वॉज द फ्रेंड ऑफ द मैन हु हैड बॉट द डक. मतलब मैं उसके दोस्त के दोस्त का दोस्त हूँ जो आपके लिए एक डक लाया था. असलम इन्वाइटेड हिम. नाउ दिस टाइम Aslam was not happy, but he invited that man to eat the dinner. Okay, his wife brought some soup to the table and the visitor tasted it. His wife, whose wife? Aslam's wife brought some soup to the table. He put the soup on the table and when the visitor tasted it, he said, "What kind of soup is this?" ये कैसा सूप है? Asked the visitor. It tastes just like warm water. Its taste is like a warm water. गर्म पानी की तरह है. No taste is there. Then Aslam said, "Oh, that is the soup of the duck." बोला ये उस डक के सूप का सूप है. Understand? Because everyone is coming and they are saying, "I am the friend of the that man who bought the duck." So Aslam, now this time Aslam give the same answer. This is the soup of the duck. Understand? Now here are some question which you have to do. Same comprehension will come, not this, another comprehension. I will give you another one comprehension in your exam. I am telling you how you have to solve the comprehension. Okay, this passage. Now these questions are based on this passage. Understand? This is the question. How many visitors came to see Aslam? How many visitors came to see Aslam? These are the options for you. 2 visitors, 3, 4 and 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Which one is right? This. 4 visitors came na? So this one is right. Okay, 4. So you have to write answer only 4. F-O-U-R. In your online exam. Don't note down all the questions, options. Don't note down. Only write answer. Answer number, this is 1, 4. Then again, second question is, how many of the visitors bought a duck? How many visitors bought the duck? Only 1 visitor, 2 visitor, 3 or 4? How many? Only 1 visitor bought the duck na? So write down here only ONE 1. Okay, answers only. Don't do anything else. Now question is 3 here. Here it is. Did Aslam know the first visitor? Aslam first visitor को जानता था? No ना? Then write here no. This is your answer. Okay. Now your question is 4. Question 4 is, why did Aslam get angry? Why did Aslam get angry? These are 3 reasons. From 3 reasons, one is right. Right one you have to do. He did not like eating duck. His cousin did not bring him a duck. The first visitor bought a duck, but the other did not bring anything. Which one is right? This one, C. So you have to write answer. Because this statement is too long na, so you can write only option C. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. Okay. Now here one more question. Find 5 verbs from the passage. Now you have to find out the 5 verbs from the passage. Okay. This is your passage which I gave you today as your worksheet. This came. Came is our verb. I explain about verb in your worksheet na. I explain the lesson verb na. So it will be help you to find out the verbs. Came. This is your verb. Bought. This is also verb. Celebrate, this is verb. Visit. So many verbs are here, है ना. Cook, cook is also verb. 1 2 3 4 5. तो ये आपके 5 वर्ब हो गए ना. तो you can write these 5 verbs here. If you not want to write these 5 verbs, find out here other verbs and write down. But write only 5, because in question I written here find 5 verbs from the passage. You have to find out only 5 verbs, and that 5 verbs you have to write here. First is came. See, came, bought, then celebrate, celebrate. 3 4 is visit, VISIT, visit. And 5 1 is cook, COOK. Now do like this: came, bought, celebrate, visit and cook. These are your verbs. Okay dear. Now here today I gave you one picture composition. This composition I gave you before also, but today I gave this picture composition because I will explain it again. Okay, this is the picture of. First you have to find out what is the picture about. This is the picture now. What is the picture about, and what things you can see here. First you see every children's. First children's are here and their parents are also there. Here is a shop, toy shop. This is a ice cream corner, and this is our giant wheel, and this is our swing. Here Mickey Mouse is here. What we call it? We call it trampoline, air trampoline. इस झूले को हम क्या कहते हैं? एयर ट्रैम्पोलिन. एंड यू कैन सी दिस गर्ल इज कैरिंग कलरफुल बलून्स, एंड दिस गर्ल इज ऑल्सो कैरिंग बलून, है ना. एंड इट इज़ लुकिंग लाइक अ पिक्चर ऑफ फेयर. मेले की तरह लग रहा है ना ये फेयर पिक्चर. तो दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ अ फेयर. यू कैन राइट, you have to write 5 lines on it. First line is this is the picture of fair. Understand? First line is, you can note down, this is the picture of fair. Fair means mela. This is the picture of fair. And second, यहाँ पर देखो कितनी भीड़ है ना. It is a crowded. तो second line, fair is crowded with who are here? Children and their parent. Who are here? Children and their parent. So you can write fair is crowded with children and their parent. Okay. Fair is crowded with children and their parent. And there is a toy shop. These are toys. Na? You can see here car, this robot, and this is balloon. Balls are here. So it is a toy shop. You can see here one toy shop, and some children are buying ice cream. So it is a ice cream corner. या फिर you can write some children are enjoying ice cream. Okay. And see this girl. This girl is running around the fair and carrying colorful balloons. A girl is running around with colorful balloons in their hand. हाथ में पकड़ा है ना इसने, so in their hand. Okay, you can write this. This is your giant wheel and this is your air trampoline. There are a giant wheel and a air trampoline and kids are enjoying the air trampoline. What you have to write? Kids. छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं ना ये, so we have to write, you have to write, kids are enjoying the trampoline. Understand? So like this you have to write 5 lines on it. Now I am repeating again. This is the picture of a fair. Children are standing with their parent. There is a shop, toy shop. There is a ice cream corner. Some children are enjoying the ice cream and small little children are enjoying air trampoline and one girl is running around with colorful balloons in their hands. Understand? Okay student, thank you, and you have to do all this work in your English grammar book. This comprehension and this picture composition, both work you have to do in your language, English language book, and submit it on 29 August. Okay student? Okay, thank you. Don't go outside, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.